guys, welcome back to my channel. My camera is about to die, so I need to make this quick. This is gonna be a little chit chat, get ready with me. I'm gonna be updating you guys and doing this makeup look, so if you want to see how to do this makeup look and catch up with me, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I already did my eyebrows off camera and now I'm just going to prime my eye. This is so weird. I haven't like done a sit down makeup tutorial in so long, but I just felt like it was much needed, you know, and I could just sit down and talk to you guys about my life and what's been going on. If you don't keep up with me much, then you don't really know what goes on in my life. So I'm just using the Born This Way concealer in Porcelain. You know what's crazy to me? This is porcelain, but it's actually really dark to be porcelain, I feel like. I'm actually gonna set that with the Laura Mercier powder. I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and I'm gonna dip into henna, which is right here, and I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. Basically what has been going on in my life is I'm super excited because me and Lane got approved for our apartment, so it's our first place together. And I'm so excited because it was getting really crammed in my mom's house. Like, I just can't do it anymore. There's like no room for anything. We were looking for houses, but we found a really nice apartment that will work for now. And I'm super excited. I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour. We actually move in on the 27th of this month, coming up in like a week. You know what's funny too is like we're literally moving in the day before Thanksgiving, which is basically when all the Black Friday sales happen, which is good for us because we're gonna get everything we need for our house on sale. That's literally what we're doing for Thanksgiving. We're just gonna go shopping. We don't have any other plans, and I'm so excited. Like, this is gonna be my first year actually decorating for Christmas at my own place. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna take the shade Bay, which is right here, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid to brighten it up a bit. So now I'm gonna take the shade Cocoa and I'm kind of just gonna do a little liner moment, you know. Funny because my boyfriend said that he's never been Black Friday shopping, which it's kind of different from like past years because they start Black Friday on Thanksgiving. I know Target's opening at 5 on Thanksgiving for Black Friday, and some other stores are too, so it's not like you're waking up at like 5 in the morning anymore, or like 3 in the morning to go to these stores. Ooh, okay, I think that looks really good. Let me get a makeup wipe real quick and wipe all the fallout off. You guys should comment down below what you're doing for Thanksgiving or what you're doing for Black Friday, if you're going Black Friday shopping. I also want to do Cyber Monday. I have a lot of things in my Amazon cart. I went really ham on Amazon. You guys should comment down below if you are going Black Friday shopping, what stores you guys are going to. Okay, so I'm gonna do the second eye off camera and then I will be back. Okay, so now that we have the eyes done, I'm just only gonna put mascara on for this look, and this is the Superhero It Cosmetics mascara. This is my favorite mascara. This is literally the only mascara I use. My eyelashes used to be way more like long and curly, but I started wearing falsies and now my lashes are just trash. If you don't want to buy a super high-end mascara, the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara is also really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the base. I've really been loving a tinted moisturizer lately. This is the Purlisse BB Cream Tinted Moisturizing Cream. It's SPF 30 and it's a natural looking finish. I love this stuff, honestly. I found this in my makeup and I had never opened it, And one day I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna try this because I don't really feel like wearing a lot of makeup, but I still want to look good, you know. And I tried it and it was bomb as fuck. This is in the shade medium, so I'm just going to put this on, and it's not full coverage, so don't be thinking if you buy this you're gonna have like a full coverage foundation. No, it just gives you that color and that like oomph, you know what I'm saying? The glow. Everybody's been asking me like how I'm glowing so much, and girl, it's because of this. I'm literally almost finished all of my Christmas shopping already. I'm already done Christmas shopping for Lane. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to like have Christmas with him because I've never really had that, you know, with a significant other, and I've never really received presents or like got presents from a significant other. So the fact that like we're gonna spend Christmas together and like we're doing this together as a family now and stuff is just so exciting to me. I can't wait when the baby's here because it's gonna be like old times. I feel like as I've grown up and gotten older and like my family's gotten older, Christmas and like holidays just aren't the same anymore. And you guys probably don't know this about me, but my family is really split up. Like none of my family talks, so we don't have get-togethers for holidays or anything. I know that just kind of got personal, but yeah, holidays are kind of sad for me the last couple of years because of that reason. But the fact that me and Lane are gonna have our own little family now and be able to like start doing holiday traditions or whatever is just so exciting to me. I cannot wait. If you guys also have crazy like family issues, you guys know what I'm talking about. Holidays just are honestly like, I still get excited about them, but it's just like, damn, they're just not the same anymore as when I was younger. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but it just gave me like minimal coverage, but my skin looks so glowy and good. So now I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way concealer. I'm gonna conceal my under eyes. This also adds like a little bit more coverage if you like more coverage, but you don't like feeling like you have a lot of product on your face. Definitely adding concealer helps. If you guys just see, now this looks like, and this one just looks like sad, you know? I'm also super excited for this apartment but I never finished decorating my apartments. My first apartment ever, we didn't decorate really. And then my Arizona apartment, I never finished decorating, and I moved back before my lease was up. I'm kind of glad that I didn't fully furnish it because I decided to move back, but this time I'm actually gonna like fully furnish everything. So it's really, really exciting. We literally almost have everything picked out how we're gonna decorate. Decorating is a big thing to me, okay? I love interior decorating. Okay, I kind of just like extended it in the inner corner just to kind of make my eyes look more cat-eyed. So now I'm just gonna set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier powder. I'm actually using a brush this time. I feel like when I use the Beauty Blender, it never really sets it correctly, so we're gonna try this. I'm gonna take the Morphe Frappe concealer. I'm just gonna cream contour with that. I don't know why it looks so dark now. I just love the way cream contour looks on me lately. By the way, this is the Luxie 512 small contouring brush. And then I'm just gonna take the excess and do up here. My boyfriend also just got a really good job. You have no idea. I'm so proud of him. I'm just so proud of both of us, honestly. Like, I feel like we're just gonna thrive, you know? Within the next couple months, me and him are just going to thrive. I'm also going to put the cocoa shade on my bottom lash line and connect it to the wing. So now I'm going to take my Too Faced Hangover Primer. And we're just going to set everything. Imagine I just slapped myself in the face with this. I would do something like that. I forgot to put on blush, so I'm going to put on my Jouer Adore blush. Bitch, are you fucking kidding me? I'm so pissed. Jouer needs to press their powders better because I've had so many of my stuff break from them. Put a little bit on the nose. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the highlight on. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and had a good time just like chit-chatting with me. And oh, my camera's about to die, so let me not make this too long. But if you aren't already, like this video, comment down below. We can talk, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.